Thank you, Ganeshji. It's really very wonderful talk and some very unique information. And so, as you suggested in your concluding remark that these our Purans are treasures, and we should explore more and more and more. And so, this is really very big contribution of in this particular science. I say that you have come out with not only for the Indian those who are reading these Puranas, but maybe some scientists of Western philosophy, they
That's
will also learn these things, because you are the bridge between that science and Vedic information. So that is something wonderful. So I now open this forum for the questions and answer, if there are anyone, or I
or
will go
even
for some.
comments. Even if
Yeah,
somebody
yeah,
has
I will.
comments.
Or we are ready to take some comments. So may I now request our Grover ji is today there, and I came to know that you are also alumni of some IIT. I don't know exactly. You please introduce yourself in brief, and please make your comments in this beautiful talk.
Thank you. I am IIT Kanpur graduate of 1971.
Okay.
Did MTech in 73.
Wonderful.
Went to IIT Bombay for PhD thereafter, but didn't finish it.
Okay.
I have a special interest in writing on this such topics in Hindi.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
I would like to translate your book into Hindi. Not only
Wonderful,
that,
sir.
I will convert it into small short stories for children to create.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Wonderful.
I mean,
Wonderful. I'm so happy to hear it. So happy to hear it.
So I was just writing a mail to you. But that's nice.
Wonderful.
I'm 24 now.
Okay.
And publish a newsletter, Udyog Sanchetana, which is free.
Wonderful.
Which is to create interest about industry among engineering students.
Wonderful.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Groverji, and I will also go through your Udyog Chetna. I am very much interested in this kind of subject because I teach engineering students. So this will be good if I share some of information like this.
Three IITians. Siddharth is also from IIT
Siddharth is also an IITian.
So I am very much blessed. In my left and right, both the corners, we have some very senior and alumni of IIT, and in this beautiful platform. So I am very much thankful to IR platform that given me chance.
Is there. Dr. Thakkarji is there.
Yeah.
Dr. Thakkarji is from, I think, space science.
All right. Wonderful.
I am botanist.
Yeah.
Basically, I am botanist, but I have served ISRO for 37 years.
Great.
I want to translate your book in Gujarati. I am writing a book on history of Lohana community, and it starts from sun only.
Wonderful, wonderful.
God's son. Ikshvaku once.
Great.
So, this book will be useful in my writing the book also and understanding many things.
Wonderful, sir. Very, very happy to hear that.
From Indore, our young colleague Vivek Garg ji is there.
Hi, Vivek.
Are you able to get my voice?
Yes.
Sir, I joined just 15 days before. I have joined another course as a Acharya, Master in Siddhant Jyotish. And I started from the Surya Siddhant in Ujjain. And I want to say that I also want to like to contribute something in your whatever things you have said right now. I'm very grateful that Ganesh Swaminathan ji is here. I will also like to contribute some, and I will help to the Viren Grover ji to input some of my knowledge while writing in Hindi.
By all means. And I just want to add that I look at this as the beginning, right? I don't think that we know everything about this. The Puranas are like an ocean. It's like an ocean, and we have a lot to find out. And so the more that young people and other people can come together and put their minds together to uncover the beauty and the glory of the Puranas, the better off all of us will be. You know, it's that would be wonderful.
Any comment from Adaraniya Vedveer Aryaji is there?
Vedviji is little busy. I just talked to him a couple of minutes back. So he is listening it, but he is also involved in some work.
Okay.
I have one point,
Can you speak
one
some?
more point.
Yeah, Thakkarji.
See, there is a description in Vishnu Purana about Antriksh Nagar.
Huh.
Okay.
It is in the space, but
Right.
I think those cities might not be in space, but these cave cities and mountains, that must be Antriksh Nagar in height.
Possible, I don't. So one thing. So let me make one comment here. So even though I've quoted from Brahmanda Purana or Varaha Purana or Markandeya Purana, I make sure before I come to conclusion that it is not just one Purana that talks about it. So it has to be mentioned in 2 or 3 different Puranas, at least similarly. They won't be the exact same words, but the same idea has to be present in at least 2 or 3 different Puranas. Then we will know, because these are very difficult to believe. Even for me, you may not believe. I didn't start to write a book. I thought to myself when I read this, I said, this is not possible. So then I thought, maybe 5 years later, if I told myself that I read something like this, I may not believe myself, forget about anybody else. So I started making notes. And I started making more and more notes. I said, okay, I have to write a book now. There is no option but to write a book. So these are not easy things to believe. So my suggestion is that we try and make sure that there is as much evidence as we can have. So just going with one verse, try and look at as much evidence as we can have, so that we feel very comfortable defending it in case somebody comes to us and says, no, I don't believe you're true. And then we look at the science and say, what does the science say? So we have 2 or 3 Puranas, then we have the science, and then we look at the whole thing together and say, yeah, this is a very likely possibility that this is what they are talking about. Right?
One more Professor Dr. Rajendra Gupta ji. Rajendra Gupta ji hearing? He is botany professor.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Rajendra ji?
जी नमस्कार.
Namaskar ji.
I heard Ganesh ji with very great interest. It was a wonderful talk. Now the only thing is that many times we believe that our ancestors knew probably everything. So sometimes I feel that we have to be a little skeptic.
Very, very true. Very true. Yeah, we have to challenge. Actually, there is a verse in Brahmanda Purana. I didn't show it here. It's there in the book. It's there in the end of the book. It actually says you should use evidence, the pramana, inference, logic, and the scriptures as a starting point. You should use it as a starting point. You should test it, which means you have to be skeptical, just like you said. You should be skeptical before accepting it as truth. So,
Absolutely.
so for a Purana to say that about the Purana is a very wonderful thing. You know, when I read it, I couldn't believe it. Generally, every religion tells you, don't question us. We are the right religion, right? Here is a Purana that telling you to question it and say, don't take what I'm saying at face value. Make sure you challenge it. Make sure you test it before you accept it. I feel wonderful when I read things like this about our texts. Really, very well said. Thank you very much for bringing that up.
Yeah, because what's happening is that with resurgence of Hindutva, now there is a tendency that our ancestors knew everything. We had all knowledge. I think sometimes I feel very uncomfortable about it.
Correct. And maybe it is true, maybe it's not true, but we have to validate everything first. First, validate everything. Yeah.
Because they say there is a tendency, I hear so many lectures nowadays, they say that everything which is written in Vedas is Brahma Vakya. They were, Swatah Praman. You don't need any evidence for what is written in Ved and Puran. That kind of a thing.
Very,
and
very
So the Ganeshji's lecture has come as a fresh air.
Thank you very
So
much.
he's tried to analyze things on the basis of what is known in science and tried to correlate.
Correct.
So, I mean, rather than this tendency which is resurging now that everything which we have in our ancient heritage is to be taken, as the last word.
Right.
I think we have to look at it in the way of documents for history of science.
Correct.
If we can, I mean, there is no doubt our ancestors were far ahead of the Westerners and other parts of the world in terms of the knowledge which they generated in their times.
Very well said.
But if the tendency is to say that they knew everything and they were ahead of the scientists in our times, that's going a bit far.
True.
So that's what I liked about Ganesh's talk, was that it was very balanced, and he resisted that sort of a tendency which we find in many of the speakers with science background, but who are speaking about the Purans and Veds and all that. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
No, sir, but my suggestion is that before understanding Puranas and Vedas, we must study our Central Asia also, countries, Nuristan, Pakistan, Kapistan, Sikyang, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Samarkand, Bukhara. We should know about these places also and our trade route also, silk trade route also.
True.
Very right.
Thank you, sir. We will continue this kind of discussion later also. But due to the time constraint, I would like to take this whole discussion towards the conclusion. And before going to that, may I request Surenji to please extend a vote of thanks, formal vote of thanks. We are already thankful, so much thankful to Ganeshji, but a formal vote of thanks to our speaker and our participants.
धन्यवाद सिद्धार्थ जी। आज विजयादशमी और अमेरिका का चुनाव, इन दो कारणों से हमारे बीच में उपस्थिति कम रही, लेकिन बहुत बड़े विद्वान और वरिष्ठ लोग और युवा लोग भी, आदर्श कुमार सिंह जी एकदम युवा 30 के नीचे वाले हैं, विजय प्रसाद उपाध्याय जी भी मुझे लगता है यंग हैं, विवेक गर्ग जी अभी इतिहास पर नया काम कर रहे हैं, और राजेंद्र गुप्ता जी रामायण के भूगोल पर, जियोग्राफी इन रामायण और उसके जो अदर्स एस्पेक्ट्स को सामने लाने का डॉक्टर राजेंद्र गुप्ता जी भी काम कर रहे हैं। वीरेंद्र ग्रोवर जी आपके मुझे पोस्ट रिटायरमेंट के बाद रिटायर्ड बट नॉट टायर्ड बहुत अच्छे काम में लगे हैं सभी, ठक्कर जी हैं सब। तो गणेश जी, आदरणीय गणेश जी IIT IIM से पढ़े हुए हैं, बहुत जिसको मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी में अपनी सेवाएं देने के बावजूद अपनी भारतीय संस्कृति और सभ्यता से पूरी तरह जुड़े हुए और अब उसमें योगदान देने के लिए, उस भारतीय संस्कृति सभ्यता को उसको प्रचारित करने में, उसमें अपना योगदान देने के लिए अब कटिबद्ध हैं। हम उनके आभारी हैं। उनकी पुस्तक का फोटो यहाँ पर हमने लगाया था, फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ऑफ टाइम। अगर आप में से अनेक लोग की पुस्तक कहाँ मिल रही है, वो अगर वो अपने ग्रुप में शेयर करेंगे तो बाकी लोग भी उस पुस्तक को खरीद कर पढ़ना चाहेंगे। मैं बहुत बहुत आपका आभारी हूँ गणेश स्वामीनाथन जी। आप जब भी भारत आए हम आपसे मिलना चाहेंगे। आप इस समय सिंगापुर रहते हैं और ये आपका पहला कदम इस पुस्तक को हम मान रहे हैं। ऐसे अनेक कदम आपके, ऐसे अनेक कदमों का हम सबको इंतजार है। आप भारतीय संस्कृति और भारतीय ज्ञान विज्ञान के और विषयों को लोगों के सामने लाएंगे, ऐसा मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है। सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्ते।
Thank you, Surenji. Thank you very much for this wonderful vote of thanks. And I will close this session. Just one of my remarks. I can take this advantage as a host. So, I mean, couple of years back when I was a student in IIT Kharagpur, I met one saint, and his remark was that you IITians are useless. You have so much good brain talent, and you go for making money. That's all. But now I say that no, all the ideas are not useless. Okay, so thank you very much, Ganeshi. And with this, I will also introduce you in some couple of more organizations, those who are really work in this, very focused in this kind of work. So that I will discuss with you later. And I am very much thankful to every single participant in this event. And my personal thanks to Ganeshi, because he has continuously guided me to organize this webinar very smoothly, and I got all his help, and he was very much tolerant also, because I was very much busy, not giving response in time most of the time, but it's okay. So I also my apologize if any mistake from my side. So, and I am very much thankful, very much blessed to have all these senior people. I'm learning, and with all of you, we will keep meeting and we will keep discussing all this information. We are in our IHA group. Anything we can discuss later also. Thank you very much. Now I'll stop this meeting. Namaste and happy Vijayadashmi to everyone.
Happy Vijayadashmi. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Happy Vijayadashmi.
Happy.